We're here today to discuss a small block Chevrolet compatible series that we make at BRODIX called the IK, which stands for Iron Killer. We were looking for kind of a catchy name for something, or inexpensive head that we can put on like say a 350 or a 406, any of those engines. And we come up with the name Iron Killer. It's available in several different port volumes. We have a 180cc port volume and we have a 200cc port volume. They both have a 202 1600 intake and exhaust valve. They come with either a 70 or a 64cc combustion chamber. They have a straight spark plug. They come with a spring option of a 1250, which is for a straight flat tappet hydraulic, or they have a 1470 spring, which is available for a very common and very popular hydraulic roller camshaft. They come with a 3/8 rocker stud, and they can come either complete or bare, and they also are available with a CNC ported combustion chamber option. Soon to come will be the 215cc IK cylinder head. It will have a 208 and a 1600 intake and exhaust valve. It will come with the same spring options, either the 1250 or the 1470. It also will be available with a 1550 roller spring option, because the bigger the port, probably the bigger the engine that it's going to go on. And when we get to the larger style engines with the bigger port, we're probably looking at some roller cam options, some straight mechanical roller cams. Also available is a IK 210 called the Wild Thing. Sketchy little name there. It has a 210cc intake port. It is completely CNC ported all the way through on the intake and exhaust ports. It's a little bit more expensive head, but it does have the versatility of all the ports being CNC ported all the way through, rather than just our ass cast version. The 180 port volume flows 245 CFM at 600 lift. The 200cc flows 260 CFM at 600 lift. The 215cc, the new IK cylinder head, we don't have those numbers nailed down yet. It's still in the development stage and should be out here very shortly, so I don't want to quote anything that wouldn't be true. The IK 210 CNC ported flows 285 CFM at 600 lift also.